Do you sell custom printed t-shirts on Shopify? With ACO Custom Product Options, customers can easily select their t-shirt size, color, and printing method, upload their artwork, and personalize their order, all from a single product page. Need to charge a design setup fee? You can automatically add setup charges and create quantity-based pricing for bulk orders. Collect all the details you need, automate pricing, and deliver a seamless ordering experience for your customers. Simplify custom t-shirt ordering with ACO Custom Product Options.
So first, let's add a checkbox group field for adding the t-shirt color options.
Now let's add a label to the checkbox group field for displaying the field in the product page. And then, let's add the custom color options available for the product as the field options. And next, let's add another checkbox group field for adding the size options for the product. Then let's add the label for the field. Now let's add the field options as different size, such as small, medium, large, etc., so customers can easily choose the different size options as per need. And then, let's add another select field for choosing the printing type for the order. Let's add a label to the field for a better user experience. Now we have to add the printing options available for the cloth. These options will help the customers to choose the desired printing type based on the requirement and quality.
Now we have to add an upload field that lets the users to upload the designs they have.
Then, change the default label of the field to a more user-friendly name.
You can select the file upload types that need to be validated at the time of file upload from this option.
Then let's add a single checkbox field for adding the gift wrap option. Now, let's add new label to the field.
Next, let's enable the pricing option for the field and choose the fixed price options and then enter the amount in the below field. Now, we have to enable the fee option to add this price as fee for the order. Now let's add another single checkbox field and enter the label as same-day delivery for offering the same-day delivery option. Next, let's enable the price option and choose the fixed price option to enter the amount.
Then, enable the fee option to add this price as fee for the order.
Finally, once saving the form, let's connect the form to the product using the Connect option. And after reaching the product page, let's test the form by placing some test orders. Once choosing the field options, let's add the product to the cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Now, here you can see all the selected field options available in the cart page along with the product. You can proceed with the order to complete the procedure.
Whether you're selling custom t-shirts, branded apparel, or bulk print orders, ACO Custom Product Options helps you collect every detail your customers need to provide while automating pricing and reducing order errors. From size and color selection to artwork uploads, setup fees, and quantity-based pricing, everything works seamlessly on a single product page.